Good morning. Welcome to Tai Chi with Grandma Barbie. Um, Hi Joellen. Thanks for watching. This morning, Tai Chi, I'm going to tell you Tai Chi is very subtle, it can be. And one of the subtleties and also the good things that it does for you is eye exercises. This morning, we're going to scan the horizon with our eyes and exercise the muscles. And it's like if, you're looking for that bear. Okay, so with your eyes, you look out at eye level and you're going to look to one direction and back to, I'll say center, and then look the other direction and back to center. So we're using our eye muscles. So let's try that again. Look one direction and then back to center and the other direction and back to center. Now we'll add a larger movement to it. The horse stance, you stand with your knees slightly bent, feet shoulder width apart, your shoulders relaxed, and your head just like it's being pulled up with a string, but you want your body, your spine straight. It'll look like this from the side. When your rear end tucked underneath a little bit. So when you make the movement, you're just turning this way and then the other way. But you want to keep that spine straight. Another thing, don't ever push yourself to go further where there's some strain or anything. Tai Chi's just relax. Go to where you are. Check with your doctor before continuing these exercises. I don't know. Be safe. But the whole thing is just do what's comfortable. Okay, don't go any further. Just go to where it's comfortable. Then over time, you'll increase your range of motion, so to speak. But it is not a forced movement. You're just going to be looking right, come back to center, and you're going to be looking left and back to center. There is absolutely no straining involved. Okay, but we are going to be using our eyes. And we're going to be using our breath. So, get in that horse stance with your head kind of lifted up, your spine straight with the hips tucked under, your shoulders relaxed. And with your eyes facing forward, and then look, leading with your eyes, start to look one direction. And then come back to center. Look the other direction. Come back to center. And as you do, inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. As you're doing this, you may stop turning with your neck, but keep looking with your eyes. Check to see if somebody's sneaking up behind you. So your neck, you stop where it's comfortable, but your eyes can keep looking behind you. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, exhale. Very good. The older you get, the more you'll appreciate this exercise. The other thing is, you can do it while standing in line 6 feet apart from the person in front of you with your mask on. You've got your eyes. Hum-dee-dum. Exhale. Hum-dee-dum. Exhale. Do anywhere Tai Chi. Have a nice day. Love you.